Hello teachers, this video will show you how to create your roster on your PowerLearning page or class. So once you're in your class, you'll go to Manage Class and Edit Roster. And instead of adding individual students, what we're going to do is import students. All the rosters are created. They have been imported from PowerSchool. So now we're just going to add it to our class. So we're going to import from another roster. The names of the classes follow the PowerSchool format for now. So, for example, if my class is Kinder E, I am going to search for Homeroom Kinder, and E is number 5. Okay, and this is the one. And you can tell if this is the correct one because you'll also see a number of students. If this is a 0, then perhaps you're finding one from a previous year. So all you do is import for all your students, import students. There. You'll see all your students, and that's all. If you are a specialist or a Spanish teacher in which you have more than one group, then you are going to create sections for your roster. So I'll go to Manage Class, Edit Roster. So as a specialist or a Spanish teacher in which I have more than one group, I will create sections in the roster. Create section, okay. You have 2 as default. You can always edit the name of this section. Let's say I'm teaching 3rd grade and one of them is 3A. So this is where I will import students inside this section from another roster, and the format is homeroom space grade space in parentheses the letter that stands for A. You can also list my classes, and this will only show you the ones that are assigned to you by PowerSchool. Just make sure you select the current year. Remember to identify that. You'll notice that there are students and it's not just 0. So I'll import, and this message, make sure it's linked. It's not a one-time thing, it's linked, so any updates to the roster reflect on your class as well. Import students. Okay, that's my first one. I'll continue again managing sections and go to B, which happens to be, 3C. Import students from another roster. Home room 3. It's 21, that's correct. I'll import, linked, import. So now if you have created sections, you'll see under all sections that you can manage each section separately. If you have more classes and need to create more sections, just go ahead and keep adding sections and importing. That's all.